Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Moz for domain authority growth step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.moz.com and press enter. On the Moz homepage, locate the Pricing tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Pricing tab to review the available subscription plans. Compare the different subscription options based on your needs. Once you've decided on a plan, click the Start Free Trial button. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a valid email address for account verification. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Moz. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Moz website to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, explore the tools available to improve domain authority. To start using the tools, input your domain name in the search bar. Review the insights and suggestions provided by Moz. Utilize the resources available on the Moz blog for best practices. Monitor your domain authority regularly for consistent growth. Make adjustments to your SEO strategies based on the data Moz provides. Continue to leverage Moz features to enhance your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.